Selector in demand TV. You know a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that I'm out.
Yes, my people, yes, my people. Today we come to talk about how the crime take over Jamaica. Seriously? Come on, enough of the artists, them, enough of the people, them now say nothing, now speak out on it. Come on, what happen? Because we benefit from it, don't it? And they benefit from crime and violence, don't it? Because it's in our song, they might in everything we want to do, don't it? But one don't know say it's bad for business because with all of the crime and everything, no stage show can keep, no dance can keep, and anytime a gathering, it's going to get shoot up. So it's even bad for food business. Imagine for the local people, them look shop and them stall, can't come out because war, gang war. And I will be innocent people like that in the gang war thing. You see what I say? We have to find other ways to settle our differences. We can't use crime to settle our differences, my people. You see what I say? I mean, know say a lot of long hurt from enough of these gang members, enough of them lose enough family and friends and all kind of thing. But when it go end, it have to end sometime in general. We don't have to say let bygones be bygones. Because if we don't keep like this, we don't wipe out everybody, all people whenever involved in what we have going on. You know what I say? As we say, we are exercise. And it's a part of our exercise we dream. You know, but for all of the youth, them crime and violence not pay. Crime and violence. How if you pay? You see what I say? So, the youth, them were in it, we feel like we glorify it. And they need some real mentor. And if the man, them are going to a police station and I shoot up a police station like the man who up on ban the other day, Orlando Lee. They on ban and go in a police station for check up and have him gun on him. And police are try to intercept him and him shoot out with police at the police station. So if them are going to do that in the police station to the police, what them are going to do to the regular civilians? The people need to wake up. This is not a my issue or a your issue. This is all of us issue. Because crime and violence affect all of us. Because it make we can't party. It make we can't do nothing in peace because we're afraid of any minute gunshot start fire. So all that for good. We can't have people them play outside. In the yard, in the street, football, cricket, them kind of something there. All it for good. Can't good. And where them a fight over? Because that's all me I say. A bag of rifle and a bag of zinc house. You see what I say? So, boy, I say in the more like and share and subscribe, you know. And I don't know, you know. Big up to all the people that we push back against this evil that try to take we over. Big up. I mean, I tell enough of when the money can't save, you know. You know what I say, when the money can't save, you know. So when you have $1 billion and you make the crime rate go up and things like that, save, you know, I see them people them I come for, you know. And you can't wait to reach on the doorstep before you say something. When I have to say it before it reach. So it don't get for reach. No people not say nothing about crime till it reach them doorstep, till a family member or a personal friend or a boyfriend or a husband or a girlfriend or a wife or however. That's when you see them a ball and a cry. But when Tom Joe they down the street for no reason, them don't come out and say nothing. Them act like them don't know nothing. Nobody in the black street for Tom Joe. So I'm to the old fridge and the old pot and you all sitting them on the black road. When innocent citizens dead in our community, why the energy they don't keep up? My people, come on, it's a all of us thing. It's an entertainment thing, it's a private sector thing, it's a government thing, and it's a the citizen of Jamaica thing, all the one with the America all over the world. We all have to come together and make sure this monster don't grow no bigger. Else, not for we are going to overseas and see the land we love, Jamaica, and can't go back there and the one them down there try come out there and can't come out there and just are dead. So, Mr. Prime Minister, you know what you have to do. And the chattings, we don't want to hear the chattings. Because you chat all long. Oh, we are going to do this new legislation. Action we want to see. Because them boy are the action. Them boy in the chattings. Back in ideas. They wait till night to do things. Now them youth are doing ideas, say are brawling. But I say in the man from the man show, you know, and I don't know. We support peace, we support unity, we support love. Because that's the only way growth are gonna come. That's the only way growth are gonna come. We support peace and love and unity. Because we support growth. And growth can't come in a war. I'm not like to see my brother them grow and be all them can be and buy and do all them can buy. In a war them can't do that. Man can't come out, nobody can't come out when you come out if you watch your head back. For what? For what if you say me run that place there, you run that place there? Government place? We can't run government place, a government place. So, like, share and subscribe with the notification bell. And we out.